Hi friends, welcome to my pet care station. Today, we're going on an exciting journey to learn how to take care of our furry and feathery friends. Feeding pets the right food is so important to keep them healthy and happy. Max loves his crunchy kibble, while Whiskers prefers her soft food, and Coco, well, she enjoys seeds and fresh fruit. Brushing Max's fur keeps him clean and shiny. And look at Whiskers, she thinks it's playtime. Pets need lots of exercise to stay happy. Look at Max go. And Whiskers, she's the queen of sneak attacks. Let's check Max's paws and ears. All good, now Whiskers' eyes and tail, perfect. And Coco's feathers, looking bright and beautiful. After a day full of play, it's nap time. Pets need rest just like we do. Shh, let's tiptoe and let them sleep. Thanks for joining us today, friends. Remember, caring for your pets means giving them love, play, and everything they need. You're all pet care heroes now. See you next time. Subscribe for more pet care fun and adventures.